Assalamu alaikum. This video will shock you. In this video, you will learn something that will shape you from basic to advanced. If you wanna do such type of shifting from basic to advanced, so this video is very much important. For example, we have different phrases, idioms in this video, and we will explain each and every one in this video. So stay tuned with us and enjoy this video. So we are now going to listen something from Horace, that what he will say to us. From where we can take start, like from where we are going to take start. What will be the first one?
So the first one is 24/7. It's a phrase.
24/7. Might you watch you see this thing 24/7 on petrol pumps, etc. They are offering jobs 24/7. When something is going constantly without any stopping, so there you can say that this is running 24/7. What next?
And so the other one is fish out of water.
Okay, the next one is fish out of water. This is the second one, and Haris will explain it. That what does it mean? Fish out of water. How can you use it?
It means that's to feel out of place. Like if you are in an environment and you can't meet with people, you can't communicate with people. So it means fish out of water.
For example, you are educated personality, you are well-literate personality, and you are going to join the meeting of some people they are illiterate. So you are now out of place. So you will use a fixed idiom that will be
Fish out of water.
fish out of water. What will be the third one?
The third one is every cloud has silver
Shining.
lining.
Lining or shining. Every cloud has a silver shining lining. What does it mean? So Haris will tell us that what does this mean? Haris.
So it means that every difficult situation has some advantage.
For example, you are doing hard work,
Yes.
and your father is going to tell you that every cloud has a silver shining. So that's mean that after this struggle, you will get achievement. And after this struggle, you are learning English, you want to improve your English. So after that, you will be fluent if you are going to continue your this journey. So every cloud has a silver lining or shining. What will be the fourth one?
So the fourth one is pull yourself together.
Pull yourself together. This one is when you are saying to somebody, when someone is going to get angry and he's not going to calm down and he's not going to be relaxed, so you are saying pull yourself together, pull yourself.
Yes.
That's mean that when you want to relax somebody, that
Yes.
might you harm this sentence, this is only normal. Pull yourself together, it means that be relaxed, normal, it's okay. What next?
Um, Finding needle in a haystack.
Fine needle. So what's that? How can you explain it?
So it's mean that that something is impossible, and you are saying in Pakistan, if you said it, there is finding job is impossible, so you can say that finding job here is finding needle in a haystack.
Okay, that's good. That is a very impressive, like finding needle. So needle. So
Yes,
that
yes.
is a very good thing. What will be the seventh one?
And so the seventh one is plain as day.
Plain is there. It is very obvious, and this is very informal. People are using it on daily basis. Plain is there. Harris will explain it that how can we use this idiom in our sentence in our daily conversation. So Harris, how can we use it?
So it means that when something is obvious and clear, so we can use it. That is plain as day.
Okay, when you are going to give test
Yes.
and your teacher is going to say to you that this is plain as day, this is very clear, there is nothing philosophical, there is nothing technical, so you can say that this is plain as day. So that is the very good thing. Okay, what will be the next?
And so the next one is butterflies in my stomach.
Butterflies in my stomach. This is now a boosting sentence we will provide to you. What will be the meaning? How can we use it? Butterflies in my stomach. When you are nervous about something, but that nervousness is in positive sense. For example, you are going to talk with your family, so you are nervous for that, and that nervousness is positive, that is bringing something positive vibes. So you will say that butterflies in my stomach.
Yes, sir.
That is a very good idiom, very good phrase that we are going to deliver to you people. What next?
And so the next one is draw the line.
Draw the line. Okay, this is the most common one. When you are going to prevent somebody from doing something, so you are saying in English, draw the line. It means that stop this bullshit things. Stop this thing. So you can say that draw the line. It means that finish it. Stop
Yes,
it.
yes, yes.
Draw the line. So that is something we are saying, and we want to communicate in advanced English. Like draw
Yes,
the line means stop it, finish it. That's
yes,
what. What will be the next?
easier said than done.
Easier said than done.
Than done. Yes,
Easier said than done.
done. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's what when you are saying that something is easy to say, something is easy to speak, but it is harder to do. For example, you are saying that when someone is going to say that I will qualify CSS and PMS, so you are saying to him that is a joke that easier to say and hard to done, easier to say and hard to done. So that is something that is reflecting our primitive sentence that we said that easy to say, hard to do, easy to say than hard to do. So that is what when you want to explain something is a joke, is a criticism. So you will use this sentence. In this video, we deliver to you 10 idioms that will be very much important and that will improve your English. And we deliver it, and you can use it in your daily life. Like, for example, plain is there. So how can you use it? You can say, for example, this is very plain a day. Like, for example, you are saying that this video is very obvious, this is very
Yes,
clear,
sir.
so you will say that this is plain a day, plain like a day. Like,
Yes, sir.
you can use it. For example, you wanna watch our another video, so you are saying that butterflies in my stomach for that video.
Yes, sir.
So that is how can you use it. So try to use it and pen down it also. These are pros, idioms, phrases, etc. We will explain it, that what is pros, what is idioms, what is all the things. We will explain it. So this was all about our today video. See you in the coming video.